In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone on Slack. If your teammates can't hear you clearly or you've just plugged in a new headset, updating your mic in Slack takes only a moment. I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and clear. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Slack. From the results, click on the official Slack website. This will take you into Slack in your browser. If you're already using Slack in the browser, this just gets you to the right place so you can access your settings easily. Once Slack is open, look to the lower left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile. This could be your photo or your initials. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps all of your personal settings, including notifications, themes, and importantly for us, audio settings. Inside Preferences, find and click on Audio and Video. This section is designed specifically for call and huddle settings, and it's where Slack lists the input and output devices available to you. Now focus on the microphone area. You'll see a label for microphone with a drop-down next to it. Click the drop-down icon to reveal the list of microphones detected on your computer. This might include options like a built-in microphone, a USB headset, or an external interface. From that list, choose the microphone you want Slack to use. As soon as you click your preferred device, Slack saves the change automatically. There's no separate save button to press. That's all you need to do to switch your mic. A quick tip as you're here: speak out loud for a second and look for the input level indicator next to the microphone setting. If it moves while you're talking, that confirms Slack is receiving audio from the selected device. If you don't see movement, double-check that the mic isn't muted on the device itself and make sure it's firmly connected. You can also unplug and replug a USB mic and then reopen the drop-down to refresh the list. That's it. You opened Slack from Google, clicked your profile, went to Preferences, selected Audio and Video, opened the microphone drop-down, picked your device, and Slack saved it automatically. You're ready for clearer calls and huddles. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you sound your best in Slack.